Hi, Kavya Santhosh here. Hope that you're fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss about how to become a financial professional in USA. I'm going to discuss about the course called EA, the designation called EA, Enrolled Agent. It is a designation that is provided by the regulatory body called Internal Revenue Service of USA. Now we're going to discuss about how to become an enrolled agent, who is an enrolled agent, what are the educational qualification to become an enrolled agent. So be with me. It is a very short video. Yes. Enrolled agent is a professional tax preparer certified by IRS of United States of America. They have in-depth knowledge in direct taxes and its regulations. So there will be a question like, then who is CPA? Okay, now we just discuss about what is the difference between CPA and EA. So EAs are micro focused accountants. They are mainly focused on taxes, the direct taxes, and they have the right to represent their clients before IRS. CPAs do broader tax services and broader accounting services from the from the registration of a business and towards the solution of the business of a particular business. A CPA can do multiple things, but the scope of EA is comparatively lesser to that. And the qualifications to become a CPA, we have credit requirements. So we may need bachelor's, master's, or any other accounting certifications like CA from India, ACCA from UK, US, Australian CPA. We need to meet certain credit requirements to enroll for US CPA. While in the case of EA, we just need to have a background check and we should be at least the age of 18. There are very few requirements to become an enrolled agent. And looking to the licensing body, EAs are licensed by IRS. However, CPAs are licensed by AICPA, and also they are licensed by different states of USA. We know that there are more than 50, there are 53 states in USA. So each province or each state give the designation, like, so there is a difference between the CPA from New York and a CPA from California. So there is a difference. And looking to the exam pattern of EA and CPA, EA is just three papers. The first one, individual taxes. The second one, business taxes, which includes C corp and S corp, and specialized returns also they include in the same. And third paper is ethics. But while looking to the thing of CPA, it is different, the story is different. Before 2023 December there were four papers, and after 2023 December there are three mandatory papers and one is an elective. So there is that difference. And again, moving to the examination things, as I have told, there is only a background check and those stuff, and the preparation process, it's easy comparing to CPA. EA preparation is comparatively very easy. um, and the job opportunities, what are the job opportunities to become an after becoming an EA? We can apply as a tax accountant, tax preparer, tax analyst. All those positions are open for EAs. And also, when there is when we are like dealing with particular taxes, that's called direct taxes, we can go in deep, and since we have the right to be to present the clients before Internal Revenue Service of USA, we can make consultancies and like give valuable advices to people. So there are a lot of opportunities after becoming a licensed EA. And um, by comparing with the opportunities that CPA has, there are certain limitations for an EA because we don't focus on the broader perspectives of accounting and financial things, but we study little things in a very deep way, so the knowledge is very high, I would say that. And the salary expectations, as per the recent surveys, it is 75K median salary for an EA, and as the experience increases, as the years of experience increases, that may reach like 100K or more than that. It depends. And regarding the specialization, EA specialize on individual taxes, business taxes. So individual tax, a form of USA for income taxes is form 1040, and 1040 is for regular individuals, and if the person is NRI, they file for 1040 NR. And then estate taxes, trust taxes. There are different types of taxpayers in individual section itself. So EA specializes on filing all those tax returns. And in the business taxation, they file for S corp, C corp, and all, like 1060 form 1065 and those things. um yeah. And the next is about client representation. uh, EAs have the ability to represent clients during their audits, appeals, and collection issues. And they have the negotiation skills. They have the negotiation skill and negotiation right to negotiate with IRS on behalf of clients regarding tax matters. And for all these, we need to have a skill called effective communication. So while dealing with the client, an EA should have the skill of effective communication. And also while dealing with IRS and other authorities, also EAs should have the skill of effective communication. So that is one of the key elements. We need to apply the knowledge that we have. We need to um, think deep, have a great homework before representing reports or before publishing reports. So that skill is very much required in this particular profession. Not only in this particular profession, there are many other professions which require the same skill, but for EA, effective communication is a key element too. Then looking to the professional development, there is a EA renewal cycle period. It is always published in IRS website. So we need to follow that and get continuous education. Now there will be a question like, why should we need continuous education? We know that the tax at the threshold limit, the rates, and the deduction dollar amount, limit dollar amount, everything changes year by year. Once we look to P17, publication 17 of IRS, we can understand that even in individual taxation, every year there will be changes. So, in order to get to know those changes, and also if there is any amendment that is made in the authority level or in the governance level, we need to understand that, and we need to be live in the present uh, in our profession. So that's the thing, we need should have continuous education. So we will be updated about the new amendments, new changes in the regulations, and also new laws and bylaws that are passed. On other end, it increases networking opportunities. So when when we have a professional designation, of course, those people who are having that particular professional designation will be meeting together, and that increases the scope, and also that contributes to the professional and personal development of individuals. So there is both professional and personal development for this profession too. And um, there are many people like who start from the very basic level as a tax preparer, then move to tax analyst, tax associate. Then there are people who are running firms. So there are a lot of opportunities, and you can develop your career as well as your personality after enrolling to this particular course. And there are many other courses. Stay tuned, and I'll be here with you with more informations. Thank you. Bye bye.